Hello. By now, you would have received an email or a notification from me, either via Facebook or Blackboard, letting you know that the assignment information is ready, which we have already discussed in class. The assignment information is available on Blackboard. So the first thing that you would have to do is you would have to go to Blackboard, log in using your username and password. Once you have logged in Blackboard, navigate to you will land on a page that probably looks like this, My Institution, and then from there you will need to navigate to the course, which is Chemical Process Design, Equipment Design, and you will land on the home page with our banner, which you are familiar with from our Facebook page. Then to be able to access the content of the assignment, there are two ways you can do it. You can either use the home page where you will find an announcement and then click the announcement link, or the generic way will be you go to the content on the banner here, you choose you click content, you will land onto all the content that we have in this course, and then you will go to assignments, which is here. You click on assignment, you are looking for assignment 2. When you get into assignment 2, you will find that you have one of these files based on your group. This file will be the assignment info file. This is the file that you will first click, which will give you your assignment information, which is similar to this file here. You will have to download it. As you can see here, the internet is a bit slow, which will give you your group information that you can use depending on your group. Then you will use that. Please note that the submission, as we have discussed in class, is up until the 8th of May at just before 12 o'clock midnight. It's not the 6th of May anymore. It's Friday, just around 12 o'clock midnight. Please note this. As soon as this date passes, the assignment submission will not be available. So the first thing once you have this file, you will now have to go to ChemCAD, and then you will start building your simulation model. Once the simulation model is complete, you will enter the information that you have on your assignment, and then run the simulation to answer the questions that are given in the assignment. I encourage, as I advise you in class, do the simulation and answer all the questions, and then check and recheck, make sure that the answers are correct, and the units are obeyed. You are providing the units as requested. Say here we are looking for the pressure losses in Pascal. So once you have done your simulation and you have obtained your answers, you will have say recorded your answers or on a piece of paper like I have here. Then once you have that, you go back to Blackboard. You log into Blackboard using your username, and you navigate all the way to assignments again, assignment 2. Now you will be looking for the submission file. So you click on the submission, depending on what your assignment is. Then you end up on a submission test or assignment submission instructions like this. Please read these instructions carefully. They will explain to you what you need to do. The submission is timed 30 minutes. Once the time elapses, Blackboard will capture your submission, whether complete or incomplete. You'll be marked for that submission. So please make sure that before you you click begin, you have all your answers ready. So when you click begin, you will land up on a page like this, which now gives you a space where you can enter all the answers. Let me just show you, given these answers that I've recorded on my site here. We will be okay. Let me just minimize this as well. Sorry. Okay, now we have our submission on Blackboard. and our answer side by side. So the first answer here, which is the bubble point temperature in degrees Celsius, you enter only the numeric value 75, and then the dew point 92 as calculated by your ChemCat. And then if the value of the enthalpy that you get is 60,000 megajoules per hour, you enter only the numeric value again without the units. Please note, without the units. I do not want to be told that you have entered the numerical value with the units and you are marked wrong. These instructions are here for your convenience. Then the next thing that you need to enter is the density. Say if it's 920 kilogram per meter cube, and then as you can see, automatically this it is showing that the answers are being saved. You don't have to panic, because at the end you can save all the answers, or you can save and submit. Okay, let's continue entering the viscosity here in the proper units. If the value that we have is 0,0, please note the units as well, 0056 if it's the value that you got from ChemCat. And then the velocity, we have 1.5. The Reynolds number, we have 300,000. The Darcy friction factor, we have 0.026. The dynamic pressure losses, we have 50,000 Pascal, which is a half a bar. The power requirements for the pump, given the 65% efficiency, we have 3 kilowatts. And then once we have entered all those and we are happy with it, you will see that there should be a clock somewhere counting down to show you that you are given 30 minutes here. I cannot see it from here, but this assignment is timed for 30 minutes. If you don't complete entering this, as you can see, you have completed in less than 2 minutes. So it does not take that long if you have already have your answers written on a piece of paper. Then you can click save and submit, because I want to submit, and then you agree with that. Then it tells you that it has been submitted. The time used is 2 minutes out of 30 minutes. So it takes very little time if you have all your answers ready. And then you can click OK. Then once you click OK, it shows you the marks, the marking. So it tells you that my bubble point temperature was wrong, dew point temperature was wrong, and in some cases even refers you to which video or which lesson to look at. And then here also the enthalpy is wrong. The density is right. The viscosity is wrong. The velocity is wrong. It gives you everything. And then the power requirements, coincidentally for this system that I have, it is right. Then this will be your first trial. You can click OK. Please note all the questions that you have gotten wrong. You can click OK and then go back to ChemCat again, and then re-look at your model and your simulation and make sure that you correct the errors that you have made, and then go through the lessons again, make sure that everything is done properly, confirm the units, and then you can come back. Once that is done, you come back to Blackboard again and click on the submission. That will be your second submission. As we said, that one will be only out of 80%. If you are not happy with that, after submission, you have the third trial, which will now be out of 60%. Okay, I hope this video helps to elaborate on the instruction of submitting the test or assignment on Blackboard, as this is the first time we are using Blackboard.